Just 100 days ago, I knew almost nothing about AI, and now I'm on track to make over $200,000 this year using AI alone. And the only thing that changed is that I decided to go all in. I know a lot of people are hyping up AI right now, and if you're anything like me, you probably don't know where to start. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through every single step of my 100-day journey so you could follow along if you'd like. And of course, we need to start all the way back at day 0, where the goal was to land my first client. If you're watching this video, you're probably feeling the same things that I felt at day 0, which is that everyone is hyping up AI, but personally, I haven't gotten anything out of it, which is kind of strange because you hear about all of these AI companies that are valued at billions of dollars, and you see all these people on YouTube who are starting AI agencies and making thousands as well. So I made it my goal to figure out exactly what was going on here. Honestly, if you want to know the truth, I was working in IT at a finance company at this time, and even though I had this technical background, I wasn't getting any of the crazy results that people who were using AI were getting. The first step I took was trying to start one of these AI agencies and to land my first client. And it's funny because even though at the time I didn't know much about AI, I still branded myself as an AI agency, and the solutions that I created were all traditional automation. So I built my solutions using a platform called N8N, and although you can add in AI agents into your workflows here, I didn't use any of those AI nodes. The other problem that I was facing now is that I didn't know how to get clients. So what I decided to do is for a few days, I just reached out to as many warm connections as I could until finally one friend who's running an event services company said that they needed some help with some of their operations. The specific project that they needed help for was project onboarding. So this is when they bring in a new client and now they need to set them up in all of their different systems. The N8N workflow that I created here takes an input that comes from their monday.com board and it adds it to all their different systems, including one called Company Cam, makes a Dropbox folder, adds events on their Google Calendar, adds in a couple sheets on their Google Sheet, creates and sends an email, and then also adds to this one other system that they have. So pretty standard automation, but it's all using N8N in these different nodes, none of which are actually using AI. To land this client, I had to write up a proposal of the work that I wanted to do. And this is where I started using AI a little bit in just very basic functionality. And I started using Claude for this, and you'll see this as a common theme throughout this entire 100-day journey. But I'm super glad I decided to use this tool because I was able to progress my skill set along with the features of Claude that I was using. I blocked out all the actual names in this proposal here, but you can see what I actually generated. I used Claude to make this HTML file that's a proposal, and from this I go through exactly what we want to do. So doing a discovery phase, implementation, and a partnership, talking about the manual onboarding process for their projects, what the automated version looks like, and how much time it's going to save them. So the biggest thing I found is being able to sell the results and not just what I'm creating. Because if they believe that now it's only going to take 2 minutes to do this process, they can think now I can add an additional client per month and make an additional, let's say, $10,000 per month. So I brought them through that. I brought them through the roadmap. And at the very end, I proposed them paying me $2,000 per month, which makes a lot of sense if they can add in one extra client. One of the really awesome things I figured out about Claude during this also is that you can go ahead and publish this as an artifact. And when you publish it as an artifact, it gives you a link that you can send directly to somebody. So I was able to present this live to the client, but also give them a live link so they can go back and review. The other way I ended up using AI for this initial build out is again, just with Claude Chat, but I was able to copy the code from my N8N nodes and paste it into the Claude Chat, ask it to help me solve something, and it would give me a new JSON file back. And then from here, I can just copy it from the Claude Chat, go back to N8N, paste it in, and it gives me the nodes straight up in N8N. So it really helped with debugging different scenarios or problems that I was facing. And this was a great start. I was able to start an AI agency and within the first 30 days land my first client, bill $2,000 per month, and make an initial solution. And it really goes to prove that you don't need to know anything about AI to get started. And if you do have a bit of a technical background already, that's even one leg up. Now that we've landed our first client and are making $2,000 per month, that brings us to day 30, where the objective is charging more for the service. Day 30 is where I saw the real value of AI starting to unfold. And it's also where I was able to land my second client, this one also through a warm connection, and this one was for $3,000 per month. And the reason I was able to charge more for this is because I was tying it directly to them making money. This was an event location this time, and they needed to create a list of leads that they can be cold calling to bring in new customers. So it's really a lead generation solution. In order to build out this solution for them, there were 4 main questions that I had to answer. First is, who are they targeting? I'm talking about the demographic here, understanding what kind of companies they work for, what industry they were in, what size company they were working for. All of this was figured out through discussions with the client. Second was, how do we actually find them? Once we have an understanding of who we're looking for, we need to actually find the contacts and build out an initial list so that we know what the best prospects are and we know what the worst prospects are. AI is really good at doing this because you can just pass all the information about the client, exactly what we're trying to do, and it can come up with a tier using criteria that you provide. And lastly, now we need to figure out how to get their phone numbers. And this is so that they can actually do the cold calling now that we have this list. The feature of Claude that helped me out with this the most was the connectors. There's this website that I found called Appify, which allows you to actually scrape leads from LinkedIn using criteria that we figured out in question 1. And you could see here, this one allows you to find these prospects by just typing in the different criteria. Then we can run it and we get some results back. The great part about this is that you can connect it directly to Claude so that you can just talk to Claude normally and it could format the request to send to Appify to kick off that run and then return all of those prospects back to you. So we could start doing this with a small number just to check that the prospects look good and then bump this up to hundreds and thousands of people. Once all of it is finished and it's returned back to Claude, that's where we can use Claude again to rank and tier the people. So we add in our criteria of how we want to rank them, basically just talking about what our objective is. And then Claude will spit out a number of what tier that they fall into and then rank the prospects as well, starting out 1, 2, 3, all the way to the end. So that's how we build out our initial list to hand over to the client. But we still need to enrich the people to get their phone numbers so that they can actually do the cold calling. Again, we can use Appify for this, and that's because there's a specific actor for finding phone numbers. And this one is great because now that we've scraped all these people from LinkedIn, we have their LinkedIn profiles. And the input for this one is the LinkedIn URL. So all we have to do is tell Claude to use this actor, tell it to pass in those LinkedIn URLs. And once we do that, it will return the phone numbers that it can find. So that's how I figured out how to build out an initial list for the client's criteria, get their phone numbers, and then hand them back to the client. This process brought us from day 30 all the way to day 60 and makes us an additional $3,000 per month. But at day 60, the new objective is how can we scale the delivery. Scaling the delivery here is how I was able to get to these $2,000 and $3,000 per month projects to one that was $2,000, but it only took me a week. And while both those previous 2 solutions are super helpful to the client, it's hard to deliver because there's a lot of unique work. So it takes a long time doing discovery with the client, figuring out exactly what they want, and then translating it into something that I can actually build. But utilizing some of the other features within Claude, specifically using skills and projects on top of connectors, we're able to make the solutions more generic so that we can create one solution and hand it off to multiple different people. Now, the way that I was able to find this client was through a platform called Upwork. And if you haven't heard of Upwork, I think it's a great place to start, especially in the beginning when you don't know how to do cold outreach and you don't have a lot of warm connections. And the reason I think Upwork is so great for beginners, it's because there's people that are there who know that they have a problem. They know what solution that they want, but they just need somebody to do it. So all your job is to convince them that you are the person that can solve their problem. In this specific scenario, the client that I found was an online coach, and they have this whole list of retainer clients that they're serving every single month. In order to serve them, they create these very tailored client slide decks and worksheets for them to fill out while they're presenting. So again, the solution here is that there's a lot of different clients that they need to serve, but we want something that is very generic that they can use for every single client. On the sales side of things, in order to charge this premium pricing for your service, you need to, again, relate it back to their objectives. So if we say it takes 20 hours per week for them to create slides, then one additional client per month could equate to another $10,000 per month, which they can now land because they're saving all that time from slide deck creation. So when I say I'm going to charge $2,000 to do this, it's a no-brainer from their side. And the key takeaway here is to sell the pain, not your commodity solution. So let's brainstorm how to actually create a solution for the client using Claude. I created a skill that tells me exactly how I can build out the solution. And I'm going to walk through that right now, but if you want to download it completely for free, the link is in the description below. This skill is an AI architect. And the way that we run it is that we go into Claude and we type /SW AI architect. Now, once we run it, it will render this form where it's going to ask us a few questions that we can fill out. First, we describe what the problem is or the task that we're trying to complete that's painful for the client. Then we decide exactly how it should be triggered, what tools, files, and systems that we need to be able to pull data from, what should be produced at the very end, if we need a human to approve or not, and any additional context that we can provide. So what we end up needing here is a solution that will generate these client slide decks and worksheets. It should be tailored to the client, but we also wanted to use all of the information about the coaching service. So there's a couple of different systems that we need to connect to. We're going to connect to Google Drive to pull in all the information about the coaching service, but we also want to connect to Gamma, which is going to generate the slide decks. But at the very end, the skill will generate this report for you, and it goes through your answers to the questions that you asked, but more importantly, it gives you this entire flow talking about what the solution would look like and how it flows through the execution here. And then the actual building blocks and components that you're going to need to build out the solution in Claude. So it's pretty awesome. Claude tells you exactly how to build out a solution using itself. So what the end solution looks like is a skill here that I can run to kick off this presentation, and I run it within a project that has all of the context about the client. And the great part about these skills is that you don't have to just use it for this one client that you have. If you find the same patterns occurring for all these different clients, or let's say you sign other online coaches, you can use the same skill over and over again. So that's how we make the solution more scalable, and we can charge a lot more money for a lot less work. This brings us all the way from day 60 to day 90. Now we're able to make $2,000 for a week's worth of work, where the objective is to cash out big time. This was the biggest jump for me because with everything that I've learned with Claude so far and a couple of extra things that I'll get to in this section, I was able to land a new full-time AI position as an engineer, where now I'm going team to team and helping them figure out how they can use AI to improve their workflows. If we take the combined income from the clients I have in the agency plus this new full-time position, it brings me to over $200,000 per year in income earned from AI. So the big unlock that helped me out here was learning about Claude Code, specifically learning how to build these skills and plugins that I can use within Claude Code, and also learning about routines so that I can trigger off these workflows automatically. If you remember from the beginning, I was working in IT at a finance company, and that's where I decided to start using some of the AI that I was learning on the side within my full-time position. If you don't know what a plugin is in Claude, it allows you to combine skills with connectors and other things like agents and commands as well. And if you put multiple plugins together, you can create a marketplace that anyone can connect to and use those plugins that you created. Knowing this information, I was able to create marketplaces for different teams, each of them containing plugins for different areas that that team is working on. So my team specifically was working on cloud infrastructure, and I was able to create a plugin to help with cloud infrastructure tasks, one to help with reporting tasks, and continue to scale that out. If we hop into Claude Code, I'll show you exactly how you can add in these marketplaces and plugins. So first in the customize section, you'll see that there is a plugins area here with a plus sign. You just click plus here, you could do browse plugins. And if you hop over to the personal section, there's a plus sign over at the end. And from here, you can add a marketplace. We're gonna add it from a repository, and here we can paste in a GitHub URL. You can see an example plugin here that I have within GitHub. It's defined by a JSON file and then again, referencing different skills that you created. What's great about this is that you can now explain how you can scale up using Claude Code and skills into something that works across an enterprise, which will help you land one of these full-time AI positions. The other part of this is using routines. Again, within Claude Code, you can go to the routine section here, and you can create a new routine either running locally on your computer or remote in the cloud. Why these are great is because you can run them on a schedule, and again, connect to all these different connectors. Or you can trigger them from another process via an API. So if somebody updates a ticket on your project management system, that can fire off a request to trigger this routine. This was great because I was able to create daily reports that would take new updates about the cloud, check our existing cloud infrastructure, and see if there was anything that would be affected. And then Claude would tell us exactly what we need to do next in order to fix those problems. The way I was able to leverage this knowledge was by building myself a brand around AI. It started with just posting a couple things on LinkedIn and talking to some warm connections who were working in the tech field just about how they're using AI, how I'm using AI, and what the direction of the field is going. Doing all of that together opened up more opportunities than I could have imagined. So much so that a position was able to open up in a company for this specific AI engineering role. And they were able to think of me off the bat because we had had previous conversations and I had built this brand around AI. The biggest lesson here is to share everything that you're learning about AI. Talk to people about it, post about it online. All of it helps you out with reaching your ultimate goal, which is making more money and building your skill set in the AI space. And now I get to use AI every single day, working across different teams within the company to figure out how we can use AI to improve their workflows, using all the different things I showed you today within Claude. And that brings us to where we're currently at, which is day 100. And the primary goal for me right now is documenting the journey. I want to show you all how I got exactly from where I started, which was knowing nothing about AI, to now building an entire brand and making a full-time income using AI. And the only way you're able to do this is if you're able to build solutions that are helping other people. I know this looks like a long journey, but it happened so quickly. In just a little over 3 months, my life is completely different now than it was back then. And if you're just a beginner, I recommend just getting started. If my journey shows you anything, it goes to prove that the compounding effects are real when you stick with one thing for long enough. So again, if you want to learn how you can continue to use AI for yourself to help other people and make money online, then subscribe to me on YouTube, follow me on LinkedIn, and you can watch more videos on how to use AI right here.